Hey, what's up, guys? Quick little update on my little fire pit thing. Gus is just hanging out. You tell when he's tired. The further his tongue comes out of his head, the more tired he is. So he just got some fresh water. He just has to go back inside in the AC because he's that kind of a dog. English Bulldogs, I mean, and a lot of other smaller breeds too, you really do have to watch. They get very easily overheated, so keep an eye on them and stuff. And of course he's spoiled, so he gets like a whole wet towel rubbed down and a massage and the whole deal. Spoiled dog. Alright, Gus? You're due for a bath pretty soon, Stinky. We still love you. Anyway, it's not about Gus. This is an update to my little pit here. My fire pit. Got my little bench. Got my watering can, just in case. Now here's the deal. What I had recently found out was that where I live, I can't have an open fire. Okay? A lot of like rural Pennsylvania, people burn their garbage and stuff. You know, that's not a big deal. But where I happen to live, there's a restriction. You cannot have an open fire in your yard. You can't burn your garbage. You can't have a campfire. It's just not allowed. However, put on my old thinking cap, and I took this old hibachi that was in someone's recycling in their garbage, and I dug a hole, put the hibachi in the hole. Okay, just had a nice fire going before. This thing is smoking hot. Yeah, this thing is going real nice. So basically, I buried my barbecue, and I have a wood fire going here. So I mean, this is multi-purpose. For one, I can and definitely will cook some meals out here, you know, or maybe roast some marshmallows. I could do whatever I want. I can cook my dinner on here just as I would my normal grill. Now I have a propane grill because it's convenience. I happen to grill all year round. In the middle of winter in a blizzard, I will go outside and throw a steak on the grill and wrap up some potatoes and a little bit of butter, and I'll have a delicious summer meal in the middle of winter because I'm awesome like that. I like the novelty of it. It's just like having breakfast for dinner. I don't know. I like it. I'm weird like that. Anyway, so yeah, I can do the obvious is grill out here as I would any other grill. I don't have to buy charcoal. I mean, in this case, I just picked up just the debris in the woods, the fallen down twigs and sticks and crap. Started a fire, you know how you normally would. Nothing like survival-esque. I used a box of matches, and that's it. But in addition to that, if I just feel like hanging out and having an open fire, then so be it, because it's in my grill. So I mean, it's like a technicality. So put on the old noggin, and now I'm rocking legally. So like, I don't know, it's silly to me. You have your property, you should be able to do what you want on it, but there's rules, and rules change from place to place, and there's other places it's the same deal. You can't just have a campfire. You know, they're afraid. I mean, I do live in the woods, so I understand that perhaps it's a fire hazard, but, you know, you go over to another county, no one cares. It's just weird how that works out law-wise. But now I'm legal because I'm smart. Although, what bothers me a little bit, I might have to move it, is that my grill is not completely centered. I dug the hole like kind of in the middle, but the more I look at it, it's kind of bugging me. Getting a little OCD about it. But maybe I'll just stack some wood next to it or something so everything's all even like. So anyway, yeah, put on my thinking cap. So now I can grill my food out here as well as have just my regular campfire thing going. This is going to be awesome when it starts getting cold out. Right now, it's hot. Like, I'm sweating really bad standing next to the fire. And anyone driving by is looking at me like an idiot because it got up to like 94 or something today, and you know, everyone's down at the pool and I'm in my yard making a fire. So as if the neighbors didn't think I was crazy enough with my videos outside, now they really think I'm just off my rocker. But anyway, I wanted to give you a little update there. So perhaps I'll do some cooking videos out here in the future. By the way, you'll notice because it is inset in the ground like that, the dirt's kind of close to the edge, so I just got to be careful when I'm cooking. Once I put food on there, obviously, you know, clear the edges and make sure I don't, you know, kick a bunch of dirt on my dinner. But other than that, I just thought it was a pretty simple solution to my legal issue. So now I no longer have an issue. There are no such thing as problems, only solutions. Good words to live by. Anyway, that's all. Just an update. This was just a test run. Kind of stinks because I already had dinner and everything, but it's like roaring coals in there, wood coals, ready to go. So I kind of wish I had something, at least some marshmallows or something. But I got nothing. Just me, myself, and I. And Gus. He's ready to go inside. So that's it. I'm going to let this thing die down a little bit, then I'll put it out and call it a day. But I want to give you an update on it. So if you happen to live in one of these areas where you can't have an open fire in your backyard, perhaps this can be a solution for you as well. It's kind of why I'm posting the video. So that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon.